Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to trim video in Splice. Splice Video Editor and Maker is a versatile video editing app for the iPhone that makes creating professional looking videos simple and fast. And one of the most essential editing tool is trimming, which allows you to short your clips, remove unwanted selection and keep your videos concise and engaging. Learning how to trim videos effectively is the foundation for the smooth and polished edits. In order to trim a video, first you need to launch your Splice app on your mobile device. And once you get into this interface of your Splice app, tap on existing project or create a new project by selecting on the new project on the bottom. As I'm going to select one of the draft, and the clip will be highlighted showing a yellow frame around it. So over here you need to tap on the clip on your timeline and simply drag the edges of the clip like this and handle at the start or the end inward to the shortened video, and you'll see the time code updating as you adjust, helping you trim precisely. And this is it. Repeat the process for each clip you want to trim. Trimming removes unnecessary parts, tighten pacing and makes your video more professional. And this is it. This is how I can trim your video in Splice. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.